In the name of Allah, the Merciful. Honors second year students, Department of Bangla, Political Science, Islamic History and Culture, Economics, Philosophy and History. Honors second year student, without a degree pass third year student. I hope all of you are well. Today I am going to start a class on WS question, and today I will discuss only two WS question: who and why, who and why. Okay, WS questions. There are two types of questions: yes or no questions and WS questions. What is WS question? WS questions are so called because, with the exception of the question word how, all the question word begins with the letter WS. All the question of WS begins with WS word or letters, only without how. They are also called open questions because the number of possible responsible is limitless, or this question answer are too short. Okay, here are the WS English question words: who, whom, what, when, where, why, how, which and whose. Okay, change of pronoun, you have to use you. You have to use you instead of this four pronoun I, we, me, us, and you have to use your instead of this two pronoun my or our. Another change is verb 1 or present indefinite, you have to use do as auxiliary verb. V2 or past indefinite, you have to use did as auxiliary verb. S or yes connected verb or connected word, you have to use does. Okay, who is used to obtain information about a person or people. Generally, proper noun or dot dot body connected word or dot dot on connected word or all connected sentences have to use who. Rule or structure: WS plus extension plus note of interrogation. Or another structure is WS plus auxiliary verb plus extension plus note of interrogation. Now we discuss example. Example number 1. Shakespeare wrote Hamlet. Here Shakespeare is a person, and you have to use who without Shakespeare. Who wrote Hamlet? Another example is Alif is talking to Mim. Alif is a person. Who is talking to Mim? You see one thing that these two examples follow this structure: WS plus extension plus note of interrogation. We'll see this second structure in our next slide. Okay, If the sentence is affirmative, we can use auxiliary verb. For example, everyone can join this. Who cannot join you? Identified, repeated. Everyone can join us. Without us, you have to use you. Here, auxiliary verb can, and you have to change it negative auxiliary verb. That's why you have to use cannot. Who cannot join you? Here, everyone, everybody must be omitted. Number 4 example. Everybody went to college. You have to use, everybody is a person, so you have to use who. Who did not go to college. This sentence is a past indefinite tense, and you have to use did as auxiliary verb, and this auxiliary verb would be negative form. That's why didn't, we use didn't here. Okay, but if the sentence is negative, that means not, no, never, neither, we cannot use auxiliary verb. For example, nobody likes her. Nobody means person or people. That's why you have to use who without nobody. Who likes her? Is it clear to you? Okay, go to another. Why? Generally, as or so that or for or because or due to or view to or to plus v1 connected sentence have to use why. Rule of structure is WH plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus principal verb plus extension plus note of interrogation. You have to remember these rules or structure. For example, I did not go to college because or as I was ill. This sentence is means by express reason. This sentence express reason. That's why you have to use why. Why? Why did you not go to college? You have to change I as you as pronoun, and after because or as, we do not need to write this sentence. Another two example is he went to Dhaka to buy some books. This sentence also express reason or purpose. That's why you have to use why. Why did he go to Dhaka? This sentence also is past indefinite tense. That's why you have to use did as auxiliary verb. Another example is Borishal is famous for rice and river. This sentence is also express reason or purpose. That's why you have to use why. Why is Borishal famous for? Okay. Thank you very much. See you with another online class. Till then, you are well. And you also see this video on my YouTube channel, English with Ashraful. English with Ashraful. Okay, thank you very much.